What is the key to a happy marriage for Scott?
Oh,
The secret.
it's just sprung on me. I think just keep looking at her the way he always has. He's always been in love with
That's
her.
such a sweet
and,
answer.
He has. He
That's
has.
so cute.
Ever since he met her, he's been.
Alicia, Scott loves that no matter what time he leaves in the morning, you always wake up and give him a kiss goodbye and wish him well for the day ahead. In addition to being the most beautiful girl he's ever met, he loves your kindness towards everyone you encounter in life. Your enduring support for Scott and everything he does helps Scott believe in himself and gives him the chance to succeed in every aspect of his life. He loves the way you make him laugh and the deep conversations about the most random of topics.
I hate the cliche, but throughout all these experiences, seeing Scott and Alicia together convinced me that true love really does exist. I've never met a couple that just fit so naturally well together in so many different ways. And this is honestly true. In talking with my close friends and family, I've always used their relationship as the prime example that everyone has a soulmate out there for them, and sometimes they can just be a floor away. I'm so grateful to call both of you some of my closest friends, and I'm so happy to be here to celebrate this friggin' epic day. Thank you.